Why do brain strokes cause paralysis? The real reason. You might have noticed that people who have experienced a stroke may also go through a paralysis attack. But have you ever wondered why a stroke can leave someone paralyzed? Why do your limbs lose mobility when you have a stroke? Let us know why brain strokes cause paralysis. Hello and a very warm good morning everyone. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash. I welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel where you can explore so many topics related to health, diet, nutrition and holistic disease treatment. Today in my video, I will discuss why stroke patients develop paralysis. What is the real reason behind it? Let's begin with what a stroke is. A stroke occurs when the proper supply of blood gets disrupted in a particular part of the brain or blood vessels carrying blood to the particular part burst, causing a lack of supply of oxygen and nutrition to the brain cells and tissues. This low supply of oxygen and nutrients in the brain leads to brain damage in a matter of minutes, causing a sudden stroke. But why does this stroke lead to paralysis? Let us know. Your brain controls your movement and paralysis is a loss of ability to control muscle movement. Your brain has a specific area called motor cortex located in the frontal lobe which is responsible for controlling voluntary movement. This part sends signal through nerves to control muscles. Each side of your brain controls the movement of opposite side of your body. Meaning, if the left part of your brain is affected, it will lose the ability to control the movement of right side of the body. The same is true with your other side. So, in case a stroke affects the left side of your brain, then you may experience paralyzing of the right side of your body. When a stroke damages the motor cortex or the nerve pathways that send signals to move muscles, these signals can't reach the muscles properly. Then, what results will you observe? It will be paralysis, weakness, or difficulty in movement. Sometimes a stroke may damage the basal ganglia or brainstem. These are a group of structures located deep in the center of the brain responsible for movement, learning and emotions. If this part of the brain is affected, then paralysis would be even worse than other cases. Well, this is all about how stroke can develop paralysis. Now, I will tell you the types of stroke that will decide the severity of paralysis. Stroke has two main types, ischemic and hemorrhagic. An ischemic stroke occurs when a blood clot or plaque blocks the blood flow to the brain. It makes up 87% of all strokes. On the other hand, hemorrhagic stroke occurs when blood vessels in the brain burst, causing bleeding in the brain. Both strokes causes paralysis but in slightly different ways. Now, you might be wondering why some people recover faster from paralysis while others don't. This is because of brain's natural ability to generate new neurons, neuroplasticity. It is a process in which your brain adapts and changes itself based on experiences. It can involve structural changes like the growth of new neurons or functional changes like the recognition of neural networks. Your single action imparts a great impression on your brain and new nerve cells begin to form which regulate that particular function. That's why people who have active lifestyle and perform paralysis-friendly exercises and activities are more close to recovery and regain mobility in short time. Now, this is all about how stroke causes paralysis, and now I will guide you on natural and holistic treatment for paralysis which induces neuroplasticity to a great extent and you will feel improvement in your condition in shortest time. Homeopathic medicine are way better options for neurological disorders like paralysis. Thousands of patients have regained their lost mobility with some customized and personalized homeopathic medicine. They are light, safe and effective. Unlike modern medicine for brain disorders which cause serious and life-threatening side effects. Homeopathy is absolutely side effect free and acts directly stimulating the nervous system to heal holistically. Bharat Homeopathy is the leading face of healthcare in treating several neurological disorders, and we have won the trust of our patients worldwide in bringing relief from their condition. If you want to know anything related to paralysis and its treatment, you can call us and talk to us today. We would be happy to help you in your paralysis treatment journey. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thank you so much and have a nice day.